this you know we don't like this time and I suggest you just focus on that's just how we chill
Master Chef.
we feeling like we got it. Yeah, but we got the life. Oh yeah. Won't you take me on? You ain't know
Basta man, yung dambok ha?
Munga ma-film do fehu. Uncle Jess. Kau si Jack, you know?
JD, Jess Dwayne.
Si Jack Black.
Alltså friend, din Nancy, mau likam mana bana lai.
Mas ni Nancy kini si Auntie Nancy.
Tahu karang. Dokonya tatinu hagat. This was from Oregon.
Tinian. Man tahu Tinian is siya tahu guys. Law man ma-relocate siya to Oregon, nay. Hofschneider, familien Hofschneider is siya.
Schneider?
Ja, Aliman, nay. Tinasa na Aliman gato no mo magagasi Norte Marianas.
Yeah.
Omiti mapanyagwit sa belo. Mapega ki history book.
Mabuka? Papan gimen?
Welcome everyone to another episode of Zas Zengzu Presents Acoustic Marianas. The song you're about to hear is an original by Uncle Norbert Hofschneider titled Pugwa. It's performed by himself, his son Frank, and nephews Henry, Joe, and John. And all this was filmed in Vancouver, Washington.
Stigi standard issue tomorrow tangki. Tananay.